you Uber driver, and as what drive Uber pay. Oh, any uncommon here. Say UK Hanum Supreme Court the Abase Uber driver for workers. I'm on self-employed and I say contractors say the Uber. I can't say no. Ne say until the workers in your beer as I say Uber driver for ensuenya. Sick pay, holiday pay, and a minimum wage. Now so if you tintin Uber eba you besi sabri. We Uber driver, only be ya green said the wenya enono. Ne say until the actual nyina free tintin no. Emraso say Uber ebe compensate you. Ada phone him be crabit me anya kusi be £12,000. Fortwell Solicitors etu ho asi wonom say ye boa a drawer for ni titu ne Ghana for a drawer for Emma Omaji says SK every Uber nsem. No win no fee. Naturally say on fa capre bakura Emma Fortwell Solicitors. Name says ikane ba. Yo ya hwehwam de no pepa ne nsakwa. No wa preni kakra de amaye. Numbers na egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. Obet my friend 07874 108 821. And answer landline no. Any website so egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. So you Uber driver kwa. And answer driver Uber pena. Fortwell Solicitors ehwe wanim. That's what Fortwell Solicitors.
Yo, Ghana for you want English approach my moha. Ya sweady. Yenya emrenim for when akwata wo emrenimo a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimini anoma mumiyem for immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo Fortwell Solicitors emrenimu akuku draw for se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan wo krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ni nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Yellow Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
Abusiana mema o achi anope mema o good morning. I hope you say wo ho ye pa ye da otwedi ampo Nyankopon na se aye na adom ne pe wa hwe enso abo ye ho ban ene da so wasa ama ye hye biem said ye wonim no legal hour ye ne Fortwell Solicitors for ebina da bia na ye de eba wa kwan so enu nti ene da so ye hia ye ne ye sa ba be somo e wo sa kwan ne so se wo hwe wo bre na 8 minutes past 10 e wo fidue mu ha se the brewo a year 10 near sorry so 11 na enesu ye share 13th of April 2021 min se breno mema a year lawyer kwaba na ye dwumedi na hyehyɛ so na ansa na ye dwumedi ne be hyehyɛ so no ene ye baba bedi nkomo so obehu a da bia no anase mpem bebre na anasa de so these days ne se nkofo bebre complaining about applications a omo aye di kofikese mu a ache na omunya mu aye bia ebi edi mams wo ho ebi kura koyie corona enso ba ye kura no so amaye bibia so amfa amoa wo sa kwan so niema bebre na so wo ho no nene ye ne lawyer baba bedi nkomo ne ye busa no se bibi wo ho a yebetimi aye ede afa eho anase ekoba se o application waye memfa ne se settlement scheme hu application family application ni nyina na wonim no application bi a waye de akọhọ ache bia na yebebusa lawyer se bi ekwan bi wo ho anase bibi wo ho a yebetimi aye as to say yensan kan aye anaye ntimu aye bia mfa free efikesi mu ho na se home office for ho no bibi wo ho a esese ye ana afa so se ekoba se ibia ese otu kwan bi anase emergency bi ana bibi sa still our application akoka ho no a ede na obaye ni nyina no ye ne lawyer ebedi hu nkomo na wakyerekye ne so ntino aba ye ma akwaba ye nua ma mo hwe o Facebook ye ma mo nyina akwaba mo hwe o YouTube ye ma mo nyina akwaba oba o like na wa share amaye na obi so etimi atibi obetimi so afre na wabusa o question bi a opese obusa lawyer bi a numbers ni 0203735820 na ye twetwe nkomo na no me de lawyer so number ebetudwa edi ama mama ma lawyer akwaba na yemfa dwumedie no enhyehyɛ so. Good morning lawyer.
Yeah, good morning Mama Line Patricia Boko.
Yes, adum facho ho ye pa.
Nyame adom Boko pa.
Asi ehia ya ache bi sa no.
Say last week in the two muka crying to them say I sa.
Oh, ache asa ache. Nti asa amama feel kitu e bi sa, nya be break kitu e bi. Aya, Boko dia ne na ye koye nim se di kan ye no nkofo bebre ne ye ta te se omo complaining about applications o my ya. Omuntim wa bia emfa free home office for no mo ebi chese omoje on ho ba bia enyeye ene se wakoye mranimfo na adwuma a woyɛ nie no ye pese wo ne ye kom na wo kyerɛkyerɛ nie mani so as to say bibi o hɔ a yebetimi aye na bia ya wo so home office for kakra na ye hu de ekwa na
Patricio medasi bebre Mama Line with wo question very very interesting one because now saying and for applications that came they are quite worried about it. And, you honoma by year EU settlement scheme application maybe. You honoma why leave to remain based on the fact say neba a British national and answer neba 7 years has said you also our worry will be in why application. There are so many types of applications a bit in na then we also have applications a fee amanone eba kumha internet abia okofa wo jere if Ghana ba okofa wo if Ghana okofa wo ba and also say okofa wo busu ni bi adult dependents bi no abeka wo ewo kum ha say na eno so akochemu ewo hono eno na ye person ye discuss e kwan obefa so because e kwan obefa so e decide and I say ube take it say we application fee a different from why application will come has say na
okay.
delay. Very very important. So one say na odi mix na we any bibiara keka one say na cause more issues at the amount. Now to begin with, yen started with omo amanone omo pese omo backroom has say.
Okay.
So kwakofa wo jere kwakofa wo ba at the backroom has say what are the timelines? At the moment, Home Office for publishers say they expect to say we application for settlement. So kwakofa wo jere kwakofa wo kunu kwakofa wo ba aba within 12 weeks, nanka ometimi ayeden they make a decision. So
okay.
about over 90% of applications are FE amanone eba Chrome has said in that category. Home Office were expected to say take a decision within that time frame. A few occasions, we're gonna 12 weeks now. Arbitrary. It's been more than 3 months. I have seen a case of the application it could be over a year. Home Office. I have seen a view of even longer than a year. Now, what would you consider say any reasonable? Normally, we will say so we have application for settlement. That is okofa ojireka kofa waba na ukuka kofa waba na kofa pladiaba na anything more than 12 weeks. Wait me I say a check. We tend to say if within 12 weeks, unya any correspondence MP efficacy move for honoma, then wait me I contact you more to get an update to their air course. But normally, if within that time, when you any correspondence, efficacy move or documents are what they call BB and that's so like you have not submitted certain documents, then when you say email and answer when your correspondence, we say facade documents in bra. A reasonable wait me I call more than 12 weeks now we be expecting. If you were hormones to we advise say application I check ABR 12 weeks now be paid. You've got about 2 or 3 more weeks have the same ako unya go back to me actual more to inquire say Dana air course. We normally do not expect say at that stage Ube issue complaints at their Home Office because we issue complaints at different departments. Sometimes it works in the sense to say, we bet me I investigated their air course or Ahmad delay Abba for them to expedite it. But most of the time, those letters and the correspondence in the grandpa ebeko efficacy we na amana ye more delays at the amount. We say, make sure letter they are call and answer me inquiry to find out what's going on. But not your consistent way communication and as a correspondence to them, rather than it's causing further delays in your process. Sometimes we tell people say ideally say timely every cream. You can't just say 12 weeks you should get a response. That's always not the same as a unya clear. Jabe 2-3 weeks be account. Now we're trying to just 2-3 weeks be account. Be no one casano crown for Oma get in touch with you without you having any issues, rather than you insisting say you want to be contacting them at any stage, any point in time, because it's not cause further delays to you. I must add say omo fee amanone eba na omo application category in ABB to say visitors visa. And no, we don't expect it to say a lecture, sir. Until say, but Abia ko invite Unia bi organa say Mama Len party, the birthday party be until we say my brother Eba be na oba alistrate with that way na. Abia why you should say so be party in the next 2-3 weeks until you expect to say by that time nanka obrani nya visitors visa na emanate aba. Normally with visitors visa applications I charge 3 weeks, 4 weeks now when you're decision. If you were no man said documents you were no one found it's me a few delays. In that case, you may it may be helpful so we contact the Home Office to let them know the agency of the visa application because if invitation the amount of say umbra birthday party now when it's me in your visa before the birthday party and now the man a crown puna the agency and the importance of the occasion. It is very important. Say in that occasion, obetimi are corresponding with them. But we always advise to say, if you can say most of the time, no person your application. Now, Oman Nipan a back room has say for a specific date and now for a specific purpose. Try enough application 2 months. Normally, no, and strike application 6 months research visa and lasted for 6 months. See the man in Thermocram, Ponana say within that 6 months now. It doesn't matter. It's important say you leave room for these things. Sometimes with the application at 2 grandpa efficacy for a make it decision. A be another decision now we're expecting. And yeah, no the amount. A be no may refuse you. A be no my error be a visa refusal and also. How you would like to challenge before date now person in the back room has saying. Into the one year application in Tema, it's going to affect the purpose. For instance, why application say obra eba o birthday party now date of the birthday party let's put as an example the 30th of April in our person oba birthday party the application after 2 and then just this week you refuse the application refuse on the buy and you realize say bank statements, documents via or my year reference to it, refusal letter. It does not apply to you, brother. And it happens a lot. So make a decision. Why yet clear administrative error. Which means say any documents and what they put in and not okay, not refuse the application. Clearly, say we application in term and a decision in term. Then we can do something about that refusal. Probably get the Home Office to issue a visa in time for brother to get here for the 30th of April birthday party. Now, it's very important. Say, time your application on time. Sometimes people don't know. Say, application may take 3 to 4 weeks. When are we looking at the timelines? What the application accord to why submit the application or online? Because I don't know who submit your payment, so visa fee payment. Yes, that is the date of application. However, almost 30 and consider application until say what call appointment or British High Commission designated center na Ghana no come or biometric details. Into no obibet me a application or submit application by a month ago. Or we are because of a Juma sending the business near the now on schedule appointment at Obeko British High Commission designated visa center hono wakomane biometric details now all paying or Jane say or the application not too much with your fees 3-4 weeks time na year can once should start. But Home Office will not start considering the application until say what was submitted with biometric details. And it's also important that documents are all present Bibia ewo until so we application now you expect say would the document ABCD ebe cancer application now one for document in anka now say we call na Home Office for ehun se bibi atochima the amount of time say fabra and also to me a delay application until you have to be aware of all these things especially if we application now you are in a hurry opening term ama wo nyama a content exactly very very important and sometimes we need to understand say any documents viana if it's missing Home Office for better say fabra na Home Office for contact say fabra if you all know man who's the document being missing they will just go ahead and refuse the application and answer they will just go ahead and make a decision based on the information you've given them not just say you need more time to go back because if you want to refuse who said documents general so will refuse and what's our documents no fear so you don't understand why I may refuse so you want to correct that until you need to leave yourself room. All these things can cause delays. If you hold my baby was signing forms you haven't signed it baby mandatory documents yes they can all these things are little things it may affect the application.
Let's say lawyer, I just said now be a application there na so mba be hu now say what do go through we nyina to avoid sad delays here can once me nyina.
Oh, ne pape mu a dan ka obeka say application bia no my lawyer ehwe mu especially if there's an urgency to it. Opesa will be bahase and because every application via a home office via no yet muma amount for. Sometimes in the incro for misconception they say the whole year application for entry clearance. Okofa we okofa ba obi ba insrakha or sad documents need the any lawyer na say
straightforward
application ye na nipa na ba so they have that misconception not omo my application na ni maybe somebody too no omo fan na causing problems but so we now you can afford it, you can afford the time, you don't want all the headache that comes with making your own application. Every application, you can get somebody to look into it. Sometimes we say be grandpa and you necessarily say lawyer and application but you having conversation, who book the appointment for consultation, then you can say, okay, so we have this type of application, and these are the type of documents you need to be thinking about. And yet necessarily say when because a home office will make a so your application for bank statements 3 months ebra okay and now for pay slips ebra but be o mame no or pension for be years on yejuma be grandpa ekrasia oti sebe e Ghana ho no bank eni ho inti no obebie o sending it sika no ka chene se o de to bank mu amana koyia bas and I said trotro be fat dia ko krom no akoyi sika na e dia ba na emboa no inti no wo send sika na na no an say wa koji e won mobile money so na wa ji we krase ho na we do ni bank account inti no ya catch say wo ye application for bank account ebra meanwhile no ma me na kwakofa na ba no ni bank account what do you do so it may be important say you may explain certain things. That's why we say even though almost certain documents say provide them those things may not apply in every case because if your personal circumstances may be different. Because on person application a bit delayed, it may be important that somebody will make that presentation for you and explain the background of Omar Meno for them to understand. You have to understand that most of these applications are almost making decisions in Ghana. Application now, the application by UK. And then UK people, caseworkers will decide on the application. So why your application na umame eti fanchineko na fanchineko no bank a new fanchineko and then because of that into no one for bank statement and shema. How is somebody all making decision or will Liverpool no supposed to understand say Ghana fanchineko baby no bank be so it is up to you for you to explain to the person say look maybe I make say make say on be a bank account that they be uncle easy kasi code be kwa sa sika ne crown we kona sika na asa because of their fat fraud or their fat taxi masikani ni aye dey asa so you need to understand say every circumstances and I say every case be different from the other and because of that it may be important for you to explain certain things to avoid these delays that we are talking about.
Wow. Okay.
Then moving on quickly. Embra omo krum has say omo person mo ye application.
Okay. Lawyer answer na be kwa no so no mama ma ye tie form ma be join ne ye biem no akwaba. Ebusia said onim ne ye ne Fortwell Solicitors for na ehia lawyer kwa na oni ye chechire nsem mu se eba se wa ye application di call ye home office na acha de obeye no hu nkomo na yebo na se wo asem bi a person obusa lawyer with regards to say why application akoche wo honom na me pa chowa ye wa ha say be yi wo nsem na no de ama enu nti no lawyer guso wo chechire nsem mu but me the number na tu dwa ama so obetumi afre na wabusa wa asem no quick hu say enye ha say ne ye solve problem no mesre wa de bia me kan say ye de nam na yi nam enu nti no say ye quick question bi na wo bisa na echire wakwa ko hu wo ma boa wa fine but to be step by step number 1 this explain number 2 there be any enye sa misre wa we ne sa enye adwuma enti no studio lines no 0203 735 8820 and say 0203-286-0185. Me pacho WhatsApp ubetimi a taxi afa ho betimi a free so afa ho 0778-793-9958 and also your WhatsApp number no. Yegu so ye twetwe nkomo ye ne lawyer kwa Fortwell Solicitors for ene ye twetwe nkomo. Ma me nko back ngo lawyer ho na lawyer entwa asem no so my lawyer ya hwe eye abroad de afei said na wo kan yembra ahase so bi a wo ha wa application na so wo application and so delays in any ade no so be chiri mu am yen say pacho a
Yo, at the moment, Home Office taking months, if not years, for some people to conclude on certain cases.
okay
Normally, on my year EUSS, and that's a settlement scheme applications. A bit more they were expecting, say, within a few weeks, now and a decision, but it taking more than 6 months. They haven't received any decision yet. So we application, starting with EUSS,
yes,
which is the settlement scheme applications. So we application under that scheme normally, actually 2 months, 3 months,
okay,
maximum. Like most applications are for a year under that scheme, within that time frame, not decision. However, you should expect an answer if with decision it take you up to 6 months. It is not out of the ordinary. Okay. Obi Ohonumobeka said, lawyer, my application I could be 5 months, me decision, but me be an madam for be or an application bear 2 weeks, 3 weeks in a buy. I didn't know media I chess.
Okay.
And sign ya cross. I don't be better. Obi Ohonuma or bear an application, Washington BBA pepe. Their EUSS system and I say EU settlement scheme system work, it's most of the time they use a algorithm. We use to computerized system to make their decisions. Into the WIA application, they are able to determine, say, beyond check way your friend HM revenue. To check their database to see also why you Juma 5 years what records does HM revenue have on you. Obi also I be check na a din national insurance number assistant on even using the computerized system to generate decisions may not be possible. They have to do physical checking into would may delay. Obi no criminal background a few years ago now old driver without insurance and as a far train be a winter ticket in a chair and you don't call court and so you have something at the background that they need to investigate before they make a decision to see say we are suitable. Obi no grandpa or back room has say why applications where EU near why applications be or they will be a copper be a birth certificate be anything could crack any shame when you idea one baby and same be a way Sanyama way nyama if you can say move for will try to investigate before they make a decision. Say, you know what? They unkrata nama on us and far unkrata the Emma. Sometimes it is expected say in may be a bit check. If you hold mana and wood specifically in at the end check. Biana application be obi or the documents echo can and no ediaba they need to investigate. It's me a check. The good thing about EUSS applications is say normally your application now your mount be a friend certificate of application. That certificate of application where a document me the actual with you for and access a rented there a better say you are entitled to rent the property that you are renting. For that reason, I see amount who can now continue a year juma and as I see amount who can now continue renting a property now per se for renting. The good thing is you don't need to worry for the first 6 months when you put in an application because you have a certificate of application at Ubetini Edia. Now, if 6 months in the EB trim, now certificate of application is about to expire. Now, still no unya decision. You can do one of two things. Either so be requested for new certificate of application. Say the Jimmy be a warrior and the yam palm away fear because or status and I expire. And now say at the time of doing that, Uber requesting for updates if you home office for at the same time. You are requesting for new certificate of application. You are requesting for an update on the matter. And no, very important that will be to Nyamin Chadom EU applications, or be a friend of EU Resolution Center. Obetimi I contact you with any queries or about your application. If you have issues, if you're having difficulties, was that type of application, you can always refer to them. But ideally, can go now 6 months in the embassy in Kim and Sana, what tries over contact you, because sometimes doing that, you are also delaying your application. Quickly for family applications. Family applications are very, very common. Ewo krum hase nanseng uwo krum hase na sebe uni enkrata. The basis I would benya enkrata u krum hase limited. Apart from say ubenya ebusuya ewo krum hase say waware anasa wawubano. There's almost no other way apart from so train with the 20 years. We have more than 18 years, which many people consider say and you make me train 20 years and so now omenya omonkrata. Into the family applications, a lot of people use that to regularize their stay. A lot of people will either marry or be or krum has very common. However, we realize that from time to time these applications delay. Then a reasonable time frame for application, because up to 6 months. We application now, you should expect say we'll be a decision within 6 months. A few occasions you won't get a decision within 6 months. Or colored immigration, colorful immigration history. Or back room has say, say, na back room ha, or see, lawyer say, me for boat too, and me back room ha. We see, me now be ban or me say boot, car boots, and me fee continent, me fee Germany, na me fee immigration history, and yet clear. A being so back room has say, why ye applications be edia tutumu e bi ho no ti o me koye asylum application me fi Liberia me koye se nti wa kofi won na wasan bedu
na sam ne wa
opese oye application nti in those scenarios so we your application na say a delay. Don't say, oh, madam for be here and a 3 weeks decision by madam for be here and a 2 weeks by because moon ye pet. Baby, I'll call fire and send what be do her say, would you see if you more until 6 months reasonable. After 6 months, a delay more than 6 months, you have every right say over contacting if you get him to determine what is going on. I quite remember a few months ago, I encountered a case. Nipano other lawyers application. It did over 2 years. Or what back Chrome has say, if you can see for we're not giving any decision. It had to take us there. Yebema home office for 14 days for them to respond. I said the Umbeko court and Sana home office for an April any decision either. We also say however, and doesn't mean that I will take 2 years for a decision to be made. You understand? We have what is reasonable and what is unreasonable. So why your application I got 200, it did 2 years, it did 1 year. Need the echo or lawyer name country say then you need to take action. It's very, very important. I quite remember, I'll give you an example. One case that I handle, Nani Pana Aye application for Sokofani Kunu Abba. Now it's taking almost a year. Which your home office for now, and almost see your documents. We are modified and I say. Eventually, we had to give home office for 1 week, say, Omobema Nipana Aye in Krata and back room. Not knowing say almost make it decision in an accord that British High Commission agency in Honomo for almost 3 months and I just 1 week now visa now or the back room has said until say yeah calm also say within 1 week or man found by the court we would not have known. I can if I do one and the visa credit man. So sometimes these administrative issues it do happen. We appreciate that. We need to be looking at getting those things done. We need to be making sure say we follow up on these things, but we also have to be cautious to say our follow up or not do not delay our applications even further. You need to, there's a thin line of what is right and what is wrong, and what may delay application and what may push it to come forward.
Okay. Yo, abusia lawyer kwe na yetene no Fortwell Solicitors ene lawyer ne bon komo afase why application e dey call home office na ache se why free fee because free fee be say abroad nti se ufri Ghana se baby a ufri bia na why application se bia why bia ma se wo de oyereba se wo de obabi na eba ni nyina se wo de ma mi bi na eba ni nyina no se edile a eno ehun nsem na lawyer echirechire mu edi amaye afi so wa wo krum ha ya so na wo ya application ache se efa EU settlement scheme no hun nyina no ensensem nyina no na lawyer ebrobro so edi emaye enanu nti se wo ho asembisa bia mesre wa se de dodo na ye me ba be reading for messages aba ama lawyer ashase ayi ano de ama wo mo mehu se obi a record bibi mebo ni nyina ama ye tie ni ehu ono so asembisa no se dem di kan me pa chowa se wa asem ne wa na hia nchirechire mu di a mesre wa Fortwell Solicitors for omo office number nie bo modin asa wo betro na wabɔ modin akɔ maso ye na ne omakodi nkomo mbehwe kama initial we no free consultation no mo njehwe free enti wankasa wokɔ na no omkosi nkunwa na woka wonsem ne hɔ ye mfa asem bia antete woka no kure wo mbia no mo atimi aboa omo office line no 0203 325-7030 0203-325-7030 anase frɛ omo ewo mobile so 07944-976-161 07944-976-161 anase 07833-344-411 07833-344-411 me pacho wa bomodin ase obefre wo mu na wakọ na woni wo mu akọ nkita ho fefefe wo mu address unit 1 ground floor Clarendon House 50A for Alpha Clarendon okay me pacho mame si address ni so wie unit 1 ground floor Catharina House 50A Clarendon Road London N8 0D for Delta, J for James. Me pacho bomodin se obekọ na wakwako hu omo na nkomo bi o bia no. Oni o matwetwe na so no lawyer wa hai se wa asem ne yetiawa na opese wo frɛ no na wo busa na obetimi ayi ano amount no bomodin afrɛ no 0203-735-8820 eno ye studio lines no na me bobo kire osisi 0203-735-8820 anase 0203-286-0185 me pacho fafa WhatsApp so mami anase obetimi afrɛ me SC 0778-793-9958 lawyer me call question na enkrofo bisa no so Pacho o share me on Facebook so abetimi the question ato say the enuanum bia ye no me kenkan ma lawyer yi ano de ama yenua be ma odi kan o say mame Pacho bear with me okay wait o say please lawyer good morning please a friend of mine has done his application and has done his biometric for 3 months and now he has not received the certificate of acceptance yet or even heard anything from the Home Office. Please, is it normal? After the Odibas, or send no abase or say it's an EU spousal application. He got married to an EU citizen. Inti na yenye so dia will be sa enono.
Okay, it's a bit unusual there.
Okay.
Obey application na be 3 months unya certificate of application. Enye normal. If obi na yema wa misrewa contact nipa no na omo contact Home Office no to see what is going on, because we share immigration appendix EU rules nima as soon as you submit your application. As soon as I'll be biometric detail, where where submit your biometric details, very important. If you get informed amount document, I'll be to just start a juma because who needs certificate of application now you can't do anything. So say or may make a decision. You know, say a D that 3 months. That's still on some kind of patch or more contact Home Office for I'm more requested for that. As a matter of agency, not this bia. Ubeti media then e start ejuma bia ye
no sa no lawyer o mo abetimi aye ni straight away and say no so chombe hu lawyer e fa ho
It depends on one a year in the application. Then obviously no, on one may have to contact efficacy for no. But say no year in the application, the year man no will have to do that.
Okay.
Say or pay say yes so yes submission a man and so obetimi abehuye, and we are more than happy to help in that situation.
And yeah, now wachia mi onim kasa wasi nana wasumwa. Mame enko we so nana say please, if you have finished university in UK, do you need to do the English test if you are applying for citizenship?
Oh yes, we university ewo krom ha say ehun ehia say obey citizenship, because the language now the we will degree, we expect to say a English test, English now the year, so it's not a problem. It's very, very important. Say when you would degree, with the transcripts and everything, because of you, we real university, all right, but 1 or 2 exams you essay or yet not or the and sana with me any certificate. But if you have obtained your certificate in now operator will call naturalization, and then we have some English language test. However, very, very important say obey life in UK test. Life in UK test is different. And from say we university say life in UK test is a must. You will have to do it unless say or medical condition there prevent you from doing it.
Okay. Where Kweku Asante or say, can I apply for spouse visa when I'm on tier 4 visa, student visa?
The question a little bit way, but my main try na me explain is say there are other people on so
okay.
The spouse visa application. There are only certain group of people on which me a application. So me sponsor would be for spouse visa. Either say we are British national, either say Ukra EU passport, our settlement scheme. So I say our we aba, and as a Ukra indefinitely to remain. Waiting your application for spouse visa. Obia Okra year 4 no intimi and sponsor ne yere emanem baha on a spouse visa. However, obetimi amane yere abaha say as a dependent of a tier 4 visa holder. Obeba has say with a dependent visa and yes spouse visa. Into ukra tier 4 now university krum has say ubetimi as sponsor with jere amanaba has say as a dependent. When your wife is coming here as a dependent, the good thing is say obetimi aye juma without any restrictions. However, no yet spouse visa, meaning say the type of visa now we want to say a the same kind of journey the no so bad into something that you need to be aware of. And yes, spouse visa by a dependent visa.
Okay. Yo, where the any 10 me try say meet me I can be or say my friend is a PhD student in the UK. She is near the end of her course. She could not complete her studies on time due to delays with the school, which means she needed to extend her student visa was expiring, and she got a 1-year visa on the doctoral extension scheme, which expires early next year. She is likely to finish her studies before the doctoral scheme extension expires. At the time of applying for the extension, she didn't qualify for the post-studies visa. Is she able to switch or apply for the post-study graduate visa after July when she completes her studies? Or not so no.
A very interesting question.
The
answer is yes. Obetimi application for post-study visa because by July 2021 na down for no full-time education. So anybody who is in full-time education by July 2021 will qualify for it. At the time the visa ni be the time modern a certificate what is going to happen is that the certificate will be at the time of even though deferral and as further papers at a later stage, it does not matter. The time of completion of the degree, in a very, very important. Into the end, or what school by July and wait me higher application for post-study visa. And so post-study visa, no, I think said you be make it the very dedicated time one of these days. Need to go into details because this is the time a lot of people are coming here with student visa in preparation for September academic year. No, into you better go into details so that people can learn ways and means and make me take advantage of some new post-study visa routes and now also me abeye juma e okrom ha say na so ba school ha take advantage after the studies.
Okay. Obi assendi audio, but I mean, say sometimes audio be almost sendi aya na any ade no cry ye ne boy bra na. Let me just try and see say if ye ho ana.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, me name is Steven. Pacho, na kam pese me bisa lawyer efa one or two questions be. Pacho, na say na last year sorry na me ye settlement visa ema me ba. So I'm coming home UK ha. Na satama me application na me was settled status na me was settled status. And me application no. But me man no. I'm refuse no because me sole parent, me just one parent wa. Nti I'm refuse no na lawyer na your man no or appeal into your paper application and you win the case no. Nti you win no home office for a me ban visa no. Nti na me fin say bia nko be ma me ban no e bia on so permanent and assistant but omuma no a 10 years visa route 10 years route which is 30 months visa no omuma no. I'm so bear renew 4 times. Later na a can visa no hono. Enti but see I make it a British passport. But na settled status na me dey. Enti na me bisa say anka me bano metimi apekwan bi so na anka e bia wetimi nya settled status ni bia na say permanent visa instead of a 2.5 years normal man na. Pacho me bano a 15 years this year. Enti me question no.
You better was Steven. Lawyer, minim say what say na o kana.
I got it the gist of it. Minya and kana Steven afraid because I had a few further questions that no person be sending me asking issues in the RCA because I don't know why the ban more than to 10-year route. So,
okay.
Indefinitely to remain. Normally, no, we always tell people say we application efficacy. Now a decision is made. Now you are not happy with the decision. You need to challenge it there and then. You will administrative review. I'll bet me I hear at that very moment you need to challenge it. Sometimes in Crawford say, oh, my application for leave to remain.
Yeah.
And I said leave to enter for me back. Yeah, their man area into and one no. The fact say their man no does not mean say their way application for no and no idea then. Yeah, their man. You Steven I would see and Pacho so wait me afra because I need to understand the personal circumstances.
Number no cry their man.
Yeah, I need to know why they would have put the child on 10-year route. And say Akolano so ain't now has say for 5 years continuously. I don't know how you'll be able to obtain the settlement for Akolano, but Modiana or the afraid if you are listening to us, go into details. You.
But that's it. Like I'm a coursework. Way so or say, can I convert my tier 4 student visa to spouse visa while I have not completed my school?
Oh yes. Every year, any problem.
Okay.
Say
what visa?
Say with year 4 visa as a student, and then whilst work room has said in Yamia Wadom now we share would be now person or warrena. There is nothing wrong or there's nothing preventing you from going ahead and getting that marriage done. Once I'm worry every and one there, wait me as submitted application for spouse visa whilst you are in the UK. And application or send a message, a point that honor obetimi are converted.
Okay, and then na kwaku asuma kwan da ho se obetimi aye. Lawyer ma me fa ye question na me say bi kura na minim se betimi answer for the more. We so I say Mama Len, please ask my question. I have settlement status and my BRP is not ready. My BRP is not ready. Can I travel without my BRP card? I don't know.
Yo, medasi bebre. Yenyana or send this message, there was one important information and I can make here finish or I want fan can text message,
Okay.
The BRP na any ready, or your EU national and as a Ghana passport.
Or EU national.
If Okra or EU national, then only here any BRP documents, only here any BRP to travel.
Okay.
It's very, very, very important for people to understand. For EU nationals, the only proof of their status is that digital status now their mom, which is the email.
Okay.
And anybody will share with status and manner. Me I share the ways and means I share with status with employers and answer more rented down if you're more. So you cannot do airports and so if you can say more for Nakasana will be able to verify your status and send out my background. You don't need any biometric card. However, may use this opportunity to explain the biggest topic around immigration lately regarding BRP, BRC, whether say we a EUSS settlement schema, and so we just our card, maybe an answer we upgrade. Once I OBABs and use this opportunity.
Lawyer, with the mestre call a BR Ramusisi and son of your time no crack on me. But also we last caller, in fact, call Biani and read the text message be into my memo. It was awesome no quick. Me patch say, dear, a tintin, dear, and any over call your office, Mr. Wa. Yen a shot my a brief. A brief on my friend lawyer later. Good. But I send voice note. Okay.
Steven ni me send voice note no.
Man come
my lawyer no.
Quick.
Na me say na me cross settle status last year. And na me ye settlements visa no ma me ba no. Na lawyer bi na ye ma no. Ye no. Because me a sole parent. To me a man no ma me so akababy nti. All the documents required no me the can hold death certificate in BBR. And home office for me so me meet income threshold because me earn over £40,000 a year. Until now issue. But a entry clearance officer no refuse here on many reasons. Say there was no communication at the day. Until home office lawyer no a challenge here. Emma oya paper appeal at the court tribunal. And I'm in charge this year na win case no. Na omo fresh say on for passport number emergency visa no. It's visa no buy no me check here na 3 months entry way. But letter na accompany buy no. Almost a 10 years route. And no na ama my confused no. It's 3 days in over time no. It's na me say
Steven na lawyer Musa question na what's them there want and how
but them passport now you see.
Mpachomate.
O passport you there passport mpacho.
Na sisi amekita both British ne Ghana but time me application na amekita settle status pay. Na amekita permanent settle status.
What do you mean? Is it because no worry EU national into na unya settle status?
Na obani de me ne ija into na me a single. Into me apply application based on myself.
Okay. All right, okay. Steve.
I think say if we application is based on yourself, now also parental responsibility. Sanka kwala no omo indefinite leave to enter. Okay. Sanka omo indefinite leave to enter. At the time of receiving decision, straight away sanka mo challenge that decision.
Okay. Stephen Pacho, where Mr. Why time no ekopa anti no bomodi answer over kwaku lawyer. Why?
Yes. Sanka at the time.
Also bet me I be for home.
Yes.
So bomodi ane ko no. Bet me I be for.
Sanka at the time no omo challenge that decision.
Why?
For them not to have challenged that decision, we will have to revisit that decision on the man earlier this year to see what we can do about it. It's me and Stephen. In fact, after the program framing, now you go through.
Okay.
One send it together with the passport.
Lawyer, me one question be a memo where you no na ebrani konti me pese me hu say wo tip bi a ode be ma na bibi kakra bi o ha ode be so ansa na ya sorry na you just 3 minutes to go.
Basically, omo Ghana passports and any other passport apart from EU passports. Some way application under pre-settled scheme and as a settlement scheme. We know saying said, do they have to upgrade or biometric card na umukrana na? Very, very, very advisable. Say ukra business ukra way biometric card based on the EU regulations now. So obey upgraded. Ebi mu die be expire 30th of June. Ebi mu die no so extended beyond 30th of June. But the old card no in a omukra. So obey me upgrade. Yeah, we advise you say try and do that. But everybody need to understand say any mandatory say obey upgrading.
Okay.
Any compulsory. Say compulsory. Yeah, I'm saying it on this platform. Say any compulsory. Say obey upgrading. So we two point now say back with the old card now. You better mount without any issues. But we strongly advise people for them to upgrade to the new card. Yeah, come with your question.
Question, promise or say, hi lawyer, a friend of mine from Ghana wants to come to UK as a tourist. Which document that is need, and is it okay to apply now? Or no, lady, no.
Yes, believe it or not, because of COVID, we are sure that anything that visa say, is it okay to apply now?
Yeah.
Based on government guidance, any we for COVID, the fact say non-essential shops, tourist destinations are all open. There's nothing preventing you from making an application, even during the peak of the lockdown. The crown, still now home office where we're accepting visitors visa applications. Internet, there's nothing preventing you in terms of documents. Without knowing what down for a background, it's very difficult for me to advise on which documents that you need to know, because application for visitors visa, they make us say have at the back of your mind say you need to establish say you have enough funds so they be 2 point at their back room and our back room so any idea about bed and ama cronin and will be a year into our bar our bed so that is the gist of what you are trying to portray for those applications. However, to be able to specify which documents need to go with any specific application, I need to understand more personal circumstances. The whole Chrome any the figure are over.
Yo, abusia na say aha na yadu besi lawyer nsa me no be din komo wachire ontime nkwansa nti ye beda wase ye nuanom amutie ye free radio no so asida kese na de be mo obi anya me ya aduma next week ye ne Fortwell Solicitors for ebesa ahia wo dwumadie so nim se ebena da bia na ye de ba wa kwan so ene me ne lawyer koi na ye de dwumadie ba wa kwan so Fortwell Solicitors na oti wo mo no bomoden ase obefre wo mo number na ye 0203 325-7030 or mobile 079449760 me pese me rushing them cries and adene corner ASR 07944976161 me da wase aha ene edu besi bidin mama len me ne lawyer kwen esumwo ya crown bye bye. Okay, you free radio no so na lawyer aha. And then Kofo Bebre show more appreciation power we ne soma especially say oma we omo asem anoma omo no mani age ho pa nana si nyame insure pa saso na mame boatima ese wochia o pa we say I dey behind those o so wochia yin pa enti no na say me Bebre no messages enti me read but lawyer say bibia ni ho dia na I think say e be sorry dwumadi so. And what do you think?
Yeah, that's for more joining and then or any question or any issue. Remember, say we are open for business, free consultation, anything regarding immigration and asylum applications, or free amount, say appeal or deportation or detention or whatever it is under immigration, the amount. Apart from immigration, also family law, wills and probate, employment, and civil litigation. Who any issue they are frame and we will answer. That's it.
ɛneɛ na lawyer kwan ne na ate yɛ mesrɛ a meto me bo na mabobɔ number ne de ama this time na me rush pa enti no number no ɛneɛ ɔmo landline frɛ ɔmo bɔ mmɔden asɛ wobɛtumi atu anamo ɛmagye ne free wɔ ha sei na mfa nkɔmmɔ obi nyɛ so yɛ saa nyame kora wonhyira wo enti no sɛ wotie wɔ ha bɔ mmɔden asɛ wobɛkɔ ɛyɛ Fortwell Solicitors for ɔmo asoyɛyɛ na wakɔ ama ɔmo atumi aboa wo mmoa bi a wobɛhia biara landline no ɛyɛ 0203 325 7030 0203 325 7030 anaasɛ frɛ wɔn ɛwɔ mobile yi so ɛyɛ 079 44 976 161 misi number ne so biem di ama 079 44 976 161 anaasɛ ebiem number foforɔ a wobɛtumi afrɛ wɔn ɛyɛ mobile ɛyɛ 078 33 344 411 07833 344 411 ɛno ɛyɛ mobile a wobɛtumi afrɛ wɔn ɛde ɛsi so anaasɛ wobɛtumi so afrɛ saa number 07874 108 821 ɛno so wobɛtumi afrɛ na kyerɛ sɛ lawyers ne mobile no wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ wɔn si mobile no so wofrɛ landline no na sɛ wofi saa yɛ busy a wofrɛ wɔn mobile a baabia no wɔn bɛgye so de ama wo initial consultation no mabɔ ne dahuru abɔ ɛyɛ free bɔ mmɔden a sɛ wobɛkɔ na wakɔ adeɛ a yɛtwi ho ka deɛ ya ne yɛ ntampɛ ɛka yɛyɛ ma na kyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ me yɛya bɔ mmɔden a sɛ wobɛkɔ na wakɔ lawyer nyɛ smart sɛ da bia mɛba no mabɛbusa me question wɔ radio no so woyɛ saa wobɛhu sɛ wode ahopeprɛ saa na wakɔyɛ mistake kɔ na ɔmo nto ɔmo bo ase na ɔmo hwehwɛ biribia mu ɛmfa ma wo na sɛ mmoa bi wɔ hɔ a wɔmatumi asɔ ano ntɛntɛm koraa ɛyɛ saa wokɔyɛ mistake biara na yɛka delays yi ho asɛm yi na akɔ delay wɔ hɔ na nsɛm no akɔyɛ nwonwaran basaa bi saa no mpatwɔ woma w'ani ti bebree wobɛma apɔnkye akye nti bɔ mmɔden asɛ wobɛkɔ na lawyer ɔmo nimdeɛ mu no ɔmo atumi aboa wo obiara ne n'adwuma obiara te n'adwuma mborɔfo watumi aboa wo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ saa kwan no so ɔmo address yɛ unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Clarendon Road London N80DJ mepacho wa omo address nie bomodin asa obekọ omo aso ye ho aha ene yedi obesie eda ase se wo ye aso a wotie ye so won share ya bomodin asa obehye won like ye na wo hwe o Facebook so bomodin asa obe like na wa share so ama obi atibie nyame ya adoma ode ye nkwache ya na wo twese nne me kire next week Tuesday ye be saba na ya ba be somo aha na yedi obesie midi dwumadie ho chia me e de mama len mene lawyer kwai ene na yesum wo eye legal hour dwumadie so aha na yedi lawyer have a great day
you too bye
thank you bye order for ya kram why bye
we Uber driver and as what drive Uber pay oh any uncommon here say UK Hanum Supreme Court the abase Uber driver for air workers. Omo self-employed and I say contractors say the Uber akane saa no. Ne say enti the workers in bia as say Uber driver for ensu enya. Sick pay, holiday pay, and a minimum wage. Nanso efreme tintin a Uber eba ye besi sabri. We Uber driver, only me ya adwin say the wenya eno no. Ne say enti the ahwe nyina free tintin no. Emra so say Uber ebe compensate you. Ada afọ nim bi kura betimi anya akosi be £12,000. Fortwell Solicitors etu ho asi wonom say ye boa adrawafo ni titu ne Ghana fo adrawafo ema omaji say SK every Uber nsem. No way no fee. Naturally say onfa kapre bakura ema Fortwell Solicitors. Nemum say sika ne ba. Yo ya hwehwam de no pepa ne nsakwa. No apre ni kakra de amaye. Numbers na egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. Obeti ma frame 07874 108